When the Almighty promises something, it will happen. Trust the process. Don't be impatient and end it prematurely because you're not seeing the results yet. Your prayers will be answered when the time is right according to Him. Not by your judgment, but His divine wisdom. When the Almighty guides, no one can misguide. The changes that last are the ones that come from inside, not just because of outside pressure. You'll know when the time is right. It comes from your heart. When you see His signs in everything that you do. May He keep guiding us. Don't follow blindly. Some of us are stressed out because we're doing things which we see others do and we're not getting the same results. Don't be a copycat. What works for some may not work for you. Focus on what the Almighty wants you to do. Don't worry about others. Isn't it amazing how the Almighty always grants you ease right on time? You may not have all you desire, but He knows exactly how to meet your needs. He does it at the precise time when you feel you can't handle it anymore and you want to give up. Always trust His judgment. Never think that the Almighty won't answer your prayers. Remember, your prayers matter. He hears them, all of them, and He will answer according to His timing. Our timing isn't His timing. For us, His timing often feels like a long delay. But His timing is always perfect. Why do we have the tendency to stereotype people and think like we know it all? Why do we often feel like we can speak with authority on someone's life? How can we when we've not experienced what the other person has, we've not walked in his shoes? Learn to be more compassionate. All that you've been praying for will come to you one day. Your life now may seem like a big waiting game, but understand that everything that happens until that point is taking shape in preparation for that day. Are you going to worry or are you going to trust the Almighty? Are you looking for the formula for success in this world and the next? Trust the Almighty. Make Him your priority, not people. Stay the course no matter what challenges you encounter. Keep the faith. Pray. Believe that He wants only good for you. Never give up. Many would go to other people and pour their hearts out when faced with a challenge. Many forget the Almighty factor and some don't even turn to Him. Change that mindset. Remember, He can do in a second what no man can do in a lifetime. What are you waiting for? Turn to Him. If you want the Almighty to help you, then help others. Remember, He's the owner of everything. Whatever you have, comes from Him. As much as He gives, He can also take away in the blink of an eye. So be wary how you treat people. He's aware and knows everything that you do.